Well, I thought there's some people out there that would appreciate a video on how to install custom content. A walkthrough is probably much easier to understand than reading all the technical terms. So, first thing is to open a web browser. Yay. Go to modthesims.info. This is what the site will look like. What you're going to want to do is create an account, because to download anything from this website they would like you to have an account created. They do have a new feature of donating. You don't have to donate to download anything. That is optional to help them support run the site, but nothing on the site requires a donation to download. So what we're going to do is go to the help section. We're going to go to Sims 3 and we're going to say installing .package files. Going to scroll down to the bottom and hit this link. The Sims 3 is patched to 1.127 or higher. And then we have this lovely page now. We're going to scroll down, and what we're going to want to do is download this file, and it's going to bring up that lovely file down there. Now you're going to want to download a program, either 7-Zip or WinRAR or a similar program to extract files. I have 7-Zip on my computer. I find it extremely easy to use. So after doing that, we're going to go down here and I'm going to say I want it to show in folder. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to right click, select it, and I want to say extract all. And I'm going to tell it, cancel, I'm sorry, I'm going to say 7-Zip, extract files. And it's going to ask me where to. I'm going to tell it to do it to my desktop. And select OK, and then OK again. You won't get this lovely pop-up that I'm getting. I already have it downloaded and extracted. So, alright, after that's all done, you will have a mods folder over here, which will include an overrides folder and a packages folder and a resource.cfg file. Inside the packages folder you will find a nointro.package and a nobuildsparkles.package. These are test files to test and make sure you've got it set up correctly. What we're going to do is open Documents and go into Electronic Arts, Sims 3, and now we are going to take our mods folder and whoops, I am not moving the camera as fast as I'm moving my mouse. I'm going to just place it into my Sims 3 folder, and it's right down there. Now, after this step, it is recommended you launch the game and see if the intro is still there. If it's not, and it immediately starts with the Supernatural loading screen or whatever expansion pack you have loading screen, then you're good to go. You can go ahead and exit the game as soon as it finishes and gets to the main menu. Then you can come back and download some files, and you'd want to extract them. I recommend extracting them someplace to like a separate file on your desktop. I have one called the Sims 3 CC. And this is because you can end up extracting files, and some can end up being in the Sims 3 pack format or the package format. Sims 3 pack files will look like this, and they will have this little blue icon. They will go in your downloads folder in Documents, while the other files will go, package files will look like these lovely files down here, and these are going to go in your mods folder. So what you're going to do is copy all of these. I'm going to copy some new files if I have any. I don't. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and copy one of these, close this, and open my documents again. Then I'm going to go to Electronic Arts, The Sims 3, go down to Mods, Packages, and I'm going to right click and paste the file into this folder. I've already got it in here, so not a big deal. I'm also going to delete the no intro and no build sparkle packages because I personally don't mind the intro. And the no build sparkle package conflicts with the new supernatural special effects like the fairy's wings and such. So I don't want that file in there anymore. So I have my CC in here. All of this is hair. So the next time I launch the game, all of these hair files should show up in CAS. I also like to keep backups of my CC on here where I originally extracted it from. And I usually just have it extracted into this folder like this. And then I'll copy the package files into the package folder and the Sims 3 packs files into the Sims 3 pack folder. Thus keeping my stuff organized. I then separate my packages by what they are. And I don't bother doing that with the Sims 3 pack files because you can't organize them in the downloads folder or they won't be recognized. You can create subfolders in the package folder that you just put into your Sims 3 folder. It will still recognize those files. It just won't if you do it in the downloads. But so yeah, that's the basic concept of installing CC or custom content, whatever you want to call it.